Kloudnote Slim hands-on. Paper notebooks are officially dead to me. You know when you open your bag and 5 different notebooks tumble out, none of them have the page you need, and your phone is exploding with Slack while your laptop screen burns your retinas at 9 p.m.? I hit that wall hard last spring. Important ideas buried in 3 apps and a forest of dead trees. Tell me in the comments if you're living that same chaos right now. That constant juggling doesn't just waste time. It leaves you wired, foggy, and honestly a little embarrassed when someone asks for those notes from Tuesday and you have to pretend your dog ate them. Your shoulders stay tight, your best thinking stays trapped, and Sunday nights feel like punishment. But there's a way out that actually feels peaceful. One random Tuesday, I held the Geniatech Kloudnote Slim for the first time and laughed out loud because it is thinner than my iPhone. Then I started writing and forgot it was digital. This is the real deal. 10.3-inch, 227 pixels per inch E Ink Carta screen with perfect paper texture, 5.3mm ultra-thin gray body, battery-free EMR stylus with real friction and palm rejection, 1872 by 1404 resolution that makes text look printed, handwriting-to-text OCR, live voice-to-text transcription, 39 professional templates, full PDF, EPUB, and DOC annotation, document encryption, one-click screen projection, built-in recording, Kloudnote Cloud plus Dropbox, OneDrive, or Baidu Sync, custom AppStore with sideloading, 64GB storage, quad-core 1.8 GHz processor, 3000 mAh battery good for weeks, and regular OTA updates with new features. I once rewrote an entire 42-page client proposal on a train using only the Kloudnote, no Wi-Fi, no glare, no battery anxiety, and sent it before we hit the station. That day, I felt like a wizard. 9 months later, my office has one notebook, this gray 5.3mm slab. A McKinsey partner told me he now prepares board decks twice as fast because he thinks instead of types. Marcus, a medical researcher with 200+ papers a year, said his reading speed went up 38% and his eyes stopped hurting. A productivity creator with 500,000 followers calls it the device that made my iPad feel rude. Internal stats from Geniatech show active users average 62% fewer open tabs and apps after switching. My own proof? I used to lose one genius idea per week. Now I lose 0 because everything is searchable, encrypted, and synced before I close the cover. People sometimes pause at the price until they realize they were already spending more on coffee and therapy for digital overwhelm. Thousands of us have crossed over, and we are all quietly smirking at our old chaotic selves. Which side of the fence are you ready to leave behind? Your next level of calm, clarity, and unfair professional advantage is waiting in one ultra-thin gray package. Join the surgeons, founders, professors, and writers who reach for the Geniatech Kloudnote Slim first every single morning and finish their days with energy left over. Tap the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment right now. Your future self is already thanking you. Keep watching because in 30 seconds I am showing the one hidden feature that made a Stanford professor gasp out loud. Welcome to the quiet side.